Okay, so as promised then, we're going to finish the animation section of the exercise we're doing here. And you'll be probably relieved to hear that this is just a one frame animation. We're just going to keep the jump really, really simple. Let's open our clean rig and get this set up. Our jump pose is going to be heavily inspired by Mega Man. So we're going to open our clean rig. Here it is. And we don't need to worry too much about the view on this one. We just need to build our pose. So let's just give him some fists again. Mega Man has fists when he jumps. There we go. So we've got a couple of fists. Now, Mega Man, when he falls, tends to be rotated back slightly. And we're going to do that for the top half of the body, like that. And then we're going to bring the head back. And I want him to look down slightly here so that he's kind of looking for where he's going to fall. Or land, rather. And then the arms tend to go up in the air. So let's bring the arms up, and the palms look like they're facing forward, so we'll do that. So that looks pretty good for that arm, and then we'll do this one here. Let's just on this one, let's rotate this from the elbow, see how that looks. And then, oh, hello, that's not right. That's better. I think we'll bring one of the arms forward. I don't want this to be too symmetrical. And then we'll get his leg controller. I've got some reference images of the Mega Man jump open while I'm doing this, in case you're wondering. You might find it useful to do something similar. So let's just rotate that like that. And we'll just kind of rotate the leg out a little bit. Oh, that's the knee. Do this as well. And then the other foot, we do want a bit of a bend on it. Have I got the right controller there? I haven't. It's this one I wanted. Like that. And we're just going to rotate around so that it looks like the foot's trying to find the ground. I think I'm going to bring both feet back a little bit. And I think that'll pretty much do it for that pose. It'll get across the idea that he's jumping. And that's really it for this one. So we are just going to select everything. We'll set a key on frame 1 to make sure that they stay there. And that's it. So let's save this one. File, save scene as. And this one's going to be, where were we up to? 14. Although they've gone a bit weird. I'll put that one back in a bit. I didn't name it properly. I didn't leave the MB in. So this one's going to be 15 jump. And save. And that's really it for the jump animation. We could make this more complicated. We could have him so that he kind of wobbles in the air, and we could add a land animation. But if I kept adding things to this, we'd never get the exercise finished. So that will do it. In the next step then, we will be looking at how you go about exporting all of these animations properly, and then we can get into Unreal Engine and begin importing and putting our character together. So I'll see you in the next part for some exciting exporting action. I'm able to continue making these videos thanks to the ongoing support of my amazing Patreon community. If you'd also like to support Game Dev Academy via Patreon, then check out the link in the description below. Thank you.